So, what is the Climate Change and Sustainability in Northumberland Schools Resource Pack? Well, it's incredible. It's got so much fantastic information, but it's really easy to use. It's divided mainly into 7 themes: energy, nature, water, society and policy, transport, food, and waste. We have an introduction to the resource. Why is climate change important? And why we're putting a Northumberland focus on it. A lot of people know about, the causes and consequences of climate change, but what's happening regionally, how are we mitigating it, how are we adapting to it, is what's really crucial. It talks about who the Ministry of Eco-Education are and how they can help, and gives some context. Northumberland County Council's climate ambitions are to reduce emissions by 50% by 2025 and become net zero by 2030. Hugely ambitious, fantastic. So, the context, we've got about the Northumberland School Sustainability Network and about the UK School Sustainability Network. All schools in Northumberland can join the NSSN and come together to share good practice, to get students talking to each other, and to really raise climate sustainability education across our region. One page on what is climate change. As I said, most people have a good understanding on what's going on, but it's got some useful links. Then we moved into the themes. Energy in Northumberland, the history behind it, recent developments and looking into the future. Some key terms. Learning more about the topics. These all link out to Ministry of Eco-Education. So, is carbon a magic ingredient? And here are our lessons. How old is the Earth? Linking out. Deep time walks, YouTube videos, geology socks, some really amazing hand-picked resources that you can use to teach the topics without having any other plan or documents that you need. Just click on the links and away you go. So we also have about exploring the area, more about Northumberland, and then it carries on. We've got about nature, about farming, afforestation, peatland restoration, about the national park. Again, linking out to Ministry of Eco-Education and exploring the area, making it pertinent to the children in our classrooms. We go through nature, water. We do a whole section on water. Again, do we live on a blue planet? You could have a whole lesson on that. Or why are our rivers polluted? Society and sustainability policy, and some examples of different things we're doing. Again, linking out lots of links, lots of useful information. Transport. We've got huge issues with rural and urban transport in Northumberland. What are we doing about it? How is it going to improve? And linking out. Food, waste, and loads of extra references to make sure that you understand where that information's come from. So in reality, it's such a big resource. It could be used in so many different ways. It's not a lesson plan, because this is bigger than a lesson. This is about the whole of society and our environment that we live in. What a genius plan this is. I love it. I'm going to use it in class, and I'm hoping that it really impacts positively on my pupils. Wonderful.